So here we are, we're starting layout 1. Now, this is the layout here and it has flip flaps. So the instructions actually say to assemble all the photo mats and set aside. So I thought we would do that. The actual flip flaps are here, and as you'll see, there's 4 4x6 photos. 2 are portrait and 2 are landscape. But if you notice that underneath there's two 3x4s, 2 3x4s, 2 3x4s and 2 3x4s. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. So we need to sort all that out, and we've got the flip flaps here somewhere. Here they are here. Now, the flip flaps come with adhesive on the long side or also adhesive on the short side. So I have 4 that are on the long side. You will notice here that this one is adhesive on the long side and this one is adhesive on the short side. So I'm not too sure what you will have got in your kit, but I'll work it so that it flaps out this way. So let's have a look. So here are the photo mats and here are the photo placements. Now this one here is just a straight 4x6 onto the mat. So if we do that with the tape runner. Now I have chosen photos for this layout, but I haven't printed them out. So I'm not too sure what size I will need, and they might be different to this, but that's fine. I'm happy to change it. So that's that one done. Now this one, the second one, has got the 3x4 actually on the mat. And we'll do that. So we'll line it up so that they have got the same amount of space around them. And then in the flip flap, it's got one big one and then 2 underneath it. So what we will do is we'll get the big one and we'll attach them to that mat so that when the photos are actually in the flip flap, they won't move around. So we'll just put enough adhesive just to adhere them properly. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, now the landscape ones, we've got the bottom one is just a plain photo. So we'll attach a plain photo. And the top one, when it's closed, it's 2 photos. No, sorry, when it's closed, it's 1 photo. And when it's open, there's 2 landscape 3x4s. So they are like that. So they're portrait ones, and then we have the landscape on the other side. Okay, so that's the bottom one, and then this is in the flip flap. So we've got the landscape photo and then the 2 portrait ones on top. And I'll also show you how to put the flip flaps down so that they're hidden, but they're still usable when we get around to it. So I have an extra 3x4. That's for later on. Okay, so that goes on that one. So that's for page 2, which is the right side, and this is for page 1, which is the left side.